Well, hi there. Guess what I got today? Yep, I only ordered it a few days ago. It says fragile, handle with care. So, let's see what's in here. I may have to have Ray help me because it may be too heavy for me. Can anybody guess what it is? Looks like it's been retaped. I don't know why. Maybe I can't even open it. We'll see. I don't know why it would be retaped. Hope I don't tear into anything I shouldn't be. Well, we got that side done. Let's try over here. There we go, like that. Like that. Well, there's that right here. And there's this right here. And it is the air fryer oven. Here we go. Now there should be, I think, one more hard cookbook, and I don't see it in here. I hope it is. Oh, I hope it is in here. Ooh, we got this. I don't know what this is. Wait a minute. Well, I guess Ray's ahead of me, so hold on. Go ahead, Ray. Okay. And we got this. I don't know what this is. We're going to have to put it all together. The only thing I don't see is the book yet. I should have a hard, big, covered 100-page book.
Maybe it's coming separate.
Maybe it's coming separate. I don't know. And let me open this here. Oh, okay. Ray's got it going easier than I do. Okay. There you have it, folks. That's a pretty good size one. Let me move it back here. We got some more to go here. Okay, and there it is right there.
You got tape on this.
Oh, I got tape. Ray's gonna help me untape it here. Don't know anything else about it. Let's see, we got this. Supposed to be a hard-covered book, but I don't see that. I'll have to call them up for that. And this here's the rack.
More parts inside.
We have more parts inside. We have this. Oh, and this is the fry basket. Oh, yeah, that's going to give us some good fries right there. Look at that. Woohoo! Somehow, this, I think, goes like this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But we got that. And let's see, we should have 5 racks. Wow. I only see 3, so they owe me 2 more because I paid for 5. So we don't have everything in here. Well, maybe not. I can't see. There's 1. Whoops.
They might go there.
I'm not sure how they go, but I'll show you.
They might go this way, maybe. I'm just guessing here, people. Ooh.
Oh, there you go, Ray.
Ooh.
Ray is hired for the job. I can't see.
I can't either. You got a groove.
I think I had it right there.
No, there's a groove, right?
Okay, I think I see 2 more.
There's a groove.
So
right
the only thing I see that's missing that I know of, well, I don't see the kebab thing. I don't know what that's supposed to be.
There we go, like that.
The kebab holder.
The kebab holder.
I don't see that. Well, careful, I got an oil lamp behind you.
Okay.
And there's 5 of these, and these are nice size racks. You're supposed to be able to cook pizza on it.
Pizza?
We better keep all the box stuff, because I don't know if they'll want me to send it back, or I hope not. Unless we got another box outside we didn't see. Ray, I can't see to put this in. This ain't good when I can't see.
Okay.
Ray can do a better job than me because I can't see to do it.
Right there.
Okay.
No, I almost had it. I'm sorry. Bear with me, people.
I
There
guess
you go.
it's very picky how it goes.
No, you just go. It's hard to see.
5, you can dehydrate. You can roast a chicken. You're supposed to be able to cook kebabs on it. This must be for roasting the chicken. You must put it in somehow.
There.
I'm not real sure. But we got this.
Probably this slides right in.
And we got oh, this is for the kebabs. See the skews right here?
Oh, you
And
got it
that
right
must
there,
be the
Papa.
little rack. Yeah, so we'll have to figure out how this goes together.
You all will see it.
Only thing I didn't get
Yep.
was the cookbook, and I want to show you what I did get. You get 3 that comes in it. It was supposed to be a library, and then the book on how to use it. Okay, folks, stay tuned. You'll be getting more info on this air fryer, and I will be using it. And please give me thumbs up if you've got one. It's called the Power Air Fryer Oven. So it's pretty big. It's bigger than what I thought. And I just can't get over. Look how big this is. See, this is my arm right here. Look at that. You can put some honkin' French fries in here. I hope they come out good. Please give me thumbs up and leave a comment below, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day, and God bless. Oh, look out the window. We still got snow.